Right, hello, this is my Kenwood TL922A that we're selling. Covers from 1.8 megs to 28 megs. This is a 10 metre mod. I'm into a dummy load, so I'm not transmitting, causing any RF to anybody. Now I think there's a slight fault with the amplifier. I'm not going to hide it and say it's perfect. It was perfect, but I don't know if there's a slack wire or a dry solder somewhere along the line. It did have a service and it had a brand new band switch shipped from the USA, an up-to-date version one obviously, because you can't get the original ones now. So, and the relay was all cleaned and everything. So it's actually for sale because we've actually we bought something else, and this is the only reason it's for sale. Sometimes it has high SWR spikes on PTT. I've been tapping the front here recently, just about to tap the front of the case here, and the relay of this amp is away in the back, so it's not the relay. The relay's clicking in there, so sometimes it doesn't do it, sometimes it does. So, but it gives good power out when it does. So I'm just doing this wee video just to show you. I've only got 3% power in here. Hopefully you can see it and I'm into a dummy load here. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see on the radio, I'll actually drop it down to 2%. Because the SWR is a bit low then. So if I'm keying there, you can hear the relay clicking in. No, I'm only tapping that slightly. I'm not giving it a Mike Tyson or anything. Just tap here at the front yet. I think there's a dry solder. As you can see, I'm only tapping that, and then it's fine. So we'll load, plate and load. It's fine now then. So there. So that's 4% and we get 30 watts. As you can see. The VSWR, the SWR isn't registering high on the actual array solutions, but it's doing it sometimes on the actual radio, as you can see. So we're only 4% of power, 30 watts, so we'll take it up to 10%. 10%, plate it quickly. So 10%, we've got 107. Put it up to 20%. We're on 10 meters here now. 20%, about 193, 192. Put it up to 30%. %, 311. 40%. 424, 40%. 50% power. Hope my fat face isn't in the video. So it's 50%, we've got 521 watts. 60%. 579. 70%. 625, 625, 80%. So we've got 80% power from the ICOM, about 680, 684, 90%. 90%, we're about 739, 741 watts, and 100% tap there. And this is into a dummy load mind. So 100%, about 782. 785 watts, 787. Right, so we go SSB. Test 1 2 testing. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio testing 1 2. Audio 1 2 test. Audio testing 1 2 1 2 test 1 2. Audio 1 2 test. Audio 1 2. On a whistle, 1050 watts. So we'll take it down to 20 meters. Just to show you it's working down. It'll probably be higher than 20 meters, I would take it. Right, so we'll stand by. Yeah. Always remember to put it in standby when you change your band. 20 meters. And remember, we're into a dummy load here. Guess it's a bit here into dummy load. Drop the power down. 2% power. There's a radio. As you see, we tap here. Something dry here, a watt or something. So we're 2%. And 2% radio power. And we're at 30 watts. Right, 5, 10%. I'll tap, fine. That's 10%. 10%, and we're 190 watts. 20%. 20%, and we're at 299. 30% power. 30% power, and we're at 400, 403, 404. 40% power. 40% power, and we're at 494. 488. 40% power, and we're actually at 506. Into a dummy load, remember. 50% power. 50% power, and we're at 608 watts. 60% power. 663, 660 peaking, 662, 70% power of the ICOM here, ICOM power. 711 watts, 80% power. 80% power. 770. 90% power. 90% power, and we're at 820 watts. 100% power. This icon doesn't do 100 watts, it does about 93 watts, 94 watts. We tap there. It's strange how it does that, I don't know. So I'm not going to hide it, I want you to know, whoever wants to buy it. Right, so we're at 90% power. We'll just stand by there to show you. 95 watts. So it's driving at 95 watts on 100% power, this icon. Right, so let's go again. Tap is fine, crazy. Doesn't always do this, I don't know if I can't fanboy it out, and I'm not a technician, so. Right, so that's about 95 watts in. That's about 877 watts, 876. Right, so we'll go to SSB. Audio, 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 audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2. With a whistle. $1,300 watts audio. 1, 2, 1, 2. With a whistle, it's doing about 1340. So it's 1340 watts. 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio, audio, audio. And it's all working through all the bands here. For 1.2 up to 28 megs. 1, 2 test. And this is into a dummy load. So here we go. So that's it is here. Overall condition in the actual outer case in the TL922A is really nice. As I say, it had a new band switch. It had a brand new band switch. I shipped that from the USA. I got that installed. But sometimes it's peaking there, still be at slightly. And as I say, just tap here like that, and it's fine. So I don't know if there's something slack here when maybe the band switch is put in, or I don't know, because I've been told the actual relay is away at the back here. So for me to tap here, it wouldn't be the relay. I've been told, but I was going to get somebody to look at it, take it away, but it's the shipping, it's the problem, and it's quite a number of hours drive here to take it away to get it seen. So as I say, I've got other projects on the go. So this is for sale as it is here. It's £500, which I think is reasonable due to the something silly here. I won't take any less, or it'll just get on the shelf, to tell you the truth. So it's £500, which I think is fair. Good valves in it, as you can see with the power there. It's the valves, not an issue with the valves in it, no. So it's £500, and which is good about these. They turn off and the fan just goes for about 2 minutes, and it's not a noisy fan. Don't even pick that up. You probably pick up the fan on the PSU, really. It's a bit louder. So it's £500, collection TENBY in Wales. If you want, I can post it, but if I post it, I'll need to overpack it, and it's at your risk, because if anything happens to it in transit, even if I pack it, and I mean pack it properly, it would be at the buyer's risk, I'm afraid, in case anything was to happen, because I wouldn't like anything to happen. I wouldn't be able to open it up to protect the valves inside, because I won't go inside one of these amplifiers, because it can kill you. So and I've not got the correct knowledge to start opening up amplifiers and start to pack them inside, I'm afraid. So that won't be happening. So if you do want it shipped, £500 collected. Shipping, you're talking about probably £80 to ship it, because it weighs really heavy. It's not a 10 kilo amp. It's, I don't know, I think they're about 40 kilos, maybe, guessing, maybe even a bit more or a bit less. I don't know exactly, but that's the story weight anyway. £500 collected from TENBY Wales for the amplifier itself. If you're using a newer radio here, you need a buffer. I've got an Ameritron here, ARB, but that's not for sale at the moment. I'm keeping a hold of that for a rainy day. So there we are. Thanks for watching anyway. So you know the score with the amplifier. As I say, it works all through all the bands there. As I say, this slight wee, I don't know, just there, and it's fine. I don't know what it is, how to resolve it there. It could be an easy repair. I think it will be. It's something simple. So it's £500 anyway. The valves are worth a good few £100 parts. If I end up doesn't go, it'll go on the shelf, and then I'll probably end up getting it sorted 100%. The band switch that was in it cost, I think it was £130, £140 or something for the band switch. That's shipped from USA, brand new modified one. So there we are. That's what it is. It's £500 collected, or it's about £580 shipped. Obviously I would look into seeing if we can get it cheaper or no, but it needs to be packed properly. It can't just go in a jiffy bag. Right, thanks. 7 free.